Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, this is Ashima Shukla, your current affairs and banking awareness faculty on Entri platform. And in this video, we'll be taking into consideration all the important news events from the past days, and we'll be taking a note of, or you can say a highlight of all those important news events. They have been filtered out with the purpose that they are helpful for your examination point of view, but we'll be giving them in a highlights form of view so that you don't have to wait for too long and you get a gist of all the important news events that are there for examination point of view. And for questions practice, you can download Entri app, and that is going for the link for that is going to be available in the description section below and in the comment section. Right? So let's begin the discussion on the terms of highlights. First is Project Kavach. Now, Project Kavach, first of all, what does it stand for? It is COVID-19 and Vaccination Assistance Campaign for Health. Why has it been launched and who has launched it? So, a subsidiary of National Stock Exchange, that is NSE Foundation, in partnership with Niti Aayog and UNICEF, have launched this project to create awareness on COVID-19 vaccination in India. So there are 5 aspirational districts in India which have been selected for its implementation as of now. The districts being Nandurbar, Osmanabad in Maharashtra, Karoli in Rajasthan, Ramanathapuram in Tamil Nadu, and Kifre in Nagaland. These are the 4 states and 5 districts where this is going to be launched. It's aiming more than 30 community-based organizations, bringing them together on a single platform so that more and more people can be made aware about it and vaccination percentage can be increased. It will also observe participation of community network, youth volunteers, gram panchayat, self-help groups. All of them are going to be incorporated in this. Right? The head of the particular organization's NSE Foundation is headed in Mumbai. Niti Aayog being headed by the Prime Minister of India, and UNICEF head is in New York as of now. Going ahead with amendments in IBBI regulations. IBBI is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, and they have amended the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India regulations 2016. There has been a certain amendments in these. They are going to grant discipline, transparency and accountability in corporate insolvency processes. Who are the effective people? The resolution professionals or RPs are supposed to inform the adjudication authority about avoidance transactions in a corporate debtor from now on, and it will lead to reorganizing the corporate debtor through resolution plan. The new rules will also allow RP or resolution professionals to appoint any professional who will assist during the corporate insolvency solution process or CIRP. RPs are supposed to disclose all the former names, registered office addresses that were changed in the 2 years preceding to the commencement of insolvency. That is, when a company is declaring insolvency, then 2 years prior to that, all the names, the registered offices, everything needs to be disclosed. And also, there is the RPs also need to file Form CI for CIRP 8. CIRP, that is Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process 8, needs to be filed on electronic platform of the board, which will give details of the opinion and determination on the avoiding transactions on or before 140th day of the insolvency commencement date. Who is the current chairperson of IBBI? That is going to be M.S. Sahu. M.S. Sahu is the current head of IBBI. Going ahead, AIFF Players of the Year for 2020-2021 were announced recently. Sandesh Jingan has been named as AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year for 2020-2021. He plays for ATK Mohun Bagan. He is a defender in that, and he also plays for national football team. In women's category, we have Bala Devi who has won it, and this is the 3rd time that Bala Devi has claimed this title. In terms of emerging player of the year, Suresh Singh Wangjam has been named in the men's category. He's a midfielder from Jingan. And in women's category, we have Manisha Kalyan, who has been announced as the emerging player of the amazing emerging player of the year in women category. Then we have a few one-liners. Cisco Networking Academy has come into partnership with National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) recently to uplift the Indian force in the digital domains. The purpose is to uplift in digital domain and help a tech proficient background and workforce and create more career opportunities in the digital sector. Then we have HDFC Rrb General Insurance, which has launched Optima Secure, which is the health insurance policy. It has Secure Plus Protect and Restore benefits, which have been included in this. It will offer up to 4 times the amount that has been insured, and there is zero additional charges on this. So, under the secure benefit, insurance cover is doubled instantly and automatically on the purchase of policy. Under the plus benefit feature that they are offering, the base coverage will raise automatically by 50% after 1 year and it will increase by 100% by the second year, even if there is a claim in mid of. So it's going to help when we are running out of coverage, and the policy will be restored to a base sovereign of up to 100%. Then we have National Mission for Clean Ganga, which has given approval to the new projects for rejuvenation in 6 rivers of Uttarakhand. The 6 rivers being Bhela, Dhela, Kicha, Nandor, Palsinka and Kosi. In these 6 rivers, rejuvenation program is going to be run. Then furthermore, we have Razorpay, which has acquired Terrafin Labs, which is AI-based risk analysis platform. Goldman Sachs has inaugurated its new center in Hyderabad, which aims to expand its global center for engineering and business innovations in India. Then we have Dairy Investment Accelerator. It has been set up by the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying to offer, in this Government of India is going to offer and promote the mechanism of facilitation investments in the Indian dairy sector. So for improving in the dairy sector, this new app has been inaugurated, and furthermore, they are going to promote the Indian dairy sector via this Dairy Investment Accelerator. Prenakulam village in Kerala has become the state's first book village. It is situated in Kollam district in Kerala. So, a city of Kerala, that being Pernakulam village, has become the first book village. Successful trial of train movement between Jayanagar in India and Kurtha in Nepal was taken. It is about 34.50 kilometer long rail section. It is the first section in the rail links between India and Nepal, and it's going to offer connectivity between Jayanagar in Bihar to Kurtha in Nepal. The total cost which was there for building it was approximately 619 crore rupees. Non-bank financer named UGRO Capital has entered into a partnership with Bank of Baroda, and they have collaborated for co-lending to MSME sector in India at a competitive rate of interest and reduced turnaround time respectively. Now, they have partnered on the recent 14th Foundation Day of Bank of Baroda, which was celebrated recently. And in this, a program called Pratham has been launched. And under this program, a loan of up to 1,000 crore will be granted. Total amount will range from loan amount ranges from 50 lakh to 2.5 crores, 50 lakh to 2.5 crores, and the interest that is associated ranges or starts from 8%, and the maximum tenure can be 120 months. That is the maximum tenure for it. Now, 11th edition of Mekong Ganga Cooperation (MGC) meeting was addressed by Union External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. MGC countries being India, Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. These are the MGC countries, and recently 11th meeting was organized of these countries. Now, in this, all the heads were present of the respective countries. And if we talk about when was this initiative started, it was in the year 2000 when this initiative was started. World's first 3D printed steel pedestrian bridge was unveiled in Amsterdam recently with a length of approximately 40 feet and 6-ton stainless steel structure was a part of it, right? So this bridge has been created recently. Who has created it? It has been created by MX3D. MX3D is the body which has constructed it. Now, approximately 4,500 kilograms of steel have been utilized for building it. And the design was by Joris L Lab was the one who has built it, and M3DX. So design was by Joris L Lab and built by M3D company, MX3D company. In terms of meters, this length was approximately 12 meters. Now, Kotak Mahindra Bank has signed an MOU with Indian Navy for salary accounts of serving and as well as retired officials. For both of them, this agreement has taken place recently. So all the salary account benefits to the Indian Navy officials like personal accident insurance cover, education benefits to children, additional girl child benefit, personal loans, everything is going to be given to Navy officials via this agreement. 32nd Olympic Games have already begun in Tokyo, Japan, and 2020 Paralympics are soon to begin on 24th of August. The mascot for Summer Olympics is a Mirai Towa, which is from a Japanese word Mirai, meaning future, and Towa means eternity. Paralympic mascot is Sumiti. Then Competition Commission of India has approved acquisition of up to 16.57% equity shareholding of Mukand Limited by Bajaj Group Industries as of now. So acquisition will be made by Bajaj Group entities like Bajaj, Shrivaram, Bacharaj and Bacharaj Factories, Shanraj Nayan Investments and other parts of Bajaj. Multilink and NSDL Payments Bank have partnered to offer banking facility in rural and semi-urban areas of India through neo banking mechanism. Now, under this, Multilink will form agent points and customers will be able to open savings account and perform the banking transaction at the agent point. SBI has selected a Paisalo Digital as its national corporate business correspondent to boost its financial inclusion drive with the help of kiosk-based financing services. Now, as a part of SBI, Paisalo Digital shall extend the services and reach the general public, including the existing customers as well as the new customers. Then we have Armane Giridhar, who is the Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. He is going to be the chairman of NHAI. And earlier it was Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu has been given the charge of the Chief Secretary of Uttarakhand. So Sukhbir Singh Sandhu is the Chief Secretary of Uttarakhand now, and Armane Giridhar is going to be the new chairperson of NHAI. Then Rashmi Ranjan Das is a Joint Secretary in Ministry of Finance, has been appointed as a member of UN Tax Committee, which was by United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Now, this committee has approximately 25 members in it. It has 25 members from different countries, tax experts from various countries, and the appointment is for the duration from 2021 to 25. That is a 5-year duration. Ariel Henry was formally sworn in as the Prime Minister of Haiti recently. And with this, we'll be winding up the segment. I hope this session has been helpful for all of you. We'll see you in the next video with more news events. Till then, goodbye, take care, and have a wonderful day ahead. Good luck with your preparations all.